This Windows error can really hamper your Windows PC, but there are some easy fixes you can try for it. So first up, check your hard drive for issues by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, press Enter. Type in letter Y, press Enter, and this will schedule a disk check upon the next system restart. Then, restart your computer, and upon reboot, check disk will run and scan your hard drive for issues. But if you're using a third-party security program on your computer, there's also a chance that it is interfering with the system's processes, leading to the error. So disable it temporarily by right-clicking on it from your taskbar. Choose Disable it temporarily, or depending on the time you choose. Just don't forget to re-enable it once you're done testing. Now, other potential fixes includes running SFC and DISM tools in the command prompt, and entering these commands might also fix the problem. So that's how you can fix the following error in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.